Hi guys, you're on Illumination channel. Today I'll tell you how to play Authors. Authors is a simple card game with combinations that is very similar to Go Fish. So if you're able to play Go Fish, then it's very easy for you to understand Authors. The game is using a regular deck of 52 cards from twos to aces without jokers and has no superiority of cards. The amount of players is 3, 4, 5, or 6. The objective is getting the most amount of is getting the most is getting the highest amount of full sets. A full set is 4 cards once of one. A full set is 4 cards of one rank. So yeah. Deal. The dealer is giving every card from the 52 card deck with one card at a time. Sometimes some players will get more cards than others. That is okay, you can play it that way. However, you can remove some cards just like I did. I removed the 7 of spades. For each player getting an equal amount of cards. But remember, this is optional. You can play in in another way. So yeah. And in this example of 3 players, everyone are getting 17 cards. Alright, so after each player getting every card, the deal ends and the gameplay begins. The leftmost player sitting near the dealer goes first, and just like in Go Fish, each turn is asking your opponents about a card. And in this game, you also you must say you must ask and you must ask a suit and the rank of your card. So if opponent has the card, they must give it to the player. But if they're not having that card, they must basically the next player starts asking. So yeah, next player after the player that was asking. So yeah, no Go Fish. And players can ask about cards only if they are having 2 cards of card to they want to get. For example, I want a 4, which means that I must have at least 2 4s. So yeah. And yeah. If player gets a full set, 4 cards, one ring. Those cards are placed face up onto the surface. So yeah. And so what else can I say? Um, so um, yeah. The game Authors is a game of only one round. Goes until each card becoming a face-up card. So I'm the owner of the highest amount of full sets wins the game. The owner of the lowest amount of with the owner of the lowest amount of full sets, four cards to one ring, loses the game. Alright, I told you everything about this game. I hope you enjoyed and liked this video. Hope you now know how to play archers. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.